guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the ARMANI EA7. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at some ARMANI sneakers, very different for us here at Oneupreviewz. Usually, you know, we keep our ears to the streets, but we thought we'll do some designers. We have done some designer sneakers in the past before. We've done some Balenciagas, Alexander McQueen's, and we thought we'd go for another one in ARMANI. And now this doesn't really have a name. It's really called the X-Far. I want to say it's X-Far, but on the box it says X8X113. So I'm not 100% sure what the real name is. Even on the website it's just said X8X113. But moving on anyway, we've got these in a UK size 8. It's a European 42, sorry, and it's a US 8.5. Let me open it up. Here they are. Go. So these are part of EA7, which is ARMANI's like sportwear brands, which just falls under the umbrella. And we've got a traditional runner sneaker that you can see here, designed, always slapped with the name Armani. Let's get into the details. So you got an all rubber outsole here, and you got the little subtle detailing on the outside of the rubber here where it says 7. You got the EA7 logo at the heel. Also midsole, so this midsole is made out of polyurethane. You got 2 ARMANI logos right there. You can see that famous eagle right there, or bird. I don't know what it is exactly, with the EA7 just at the back there. Moving along onto the upper, so again this is like a sock booty function. Essentially it's one unit, but you got a lot of plastics all around, heat pressed plastics, and essentially this is a polyester upper. It's all fabric, all mesh, breathable. You got your heat pressed plastics, as I mentioned before, at the toe box area with the ARMANI EA7 logo on the outskirts there. On the lateral side of the sneaker, again, you've got the heat pressed plastics. You can see it there, especially with the branding, the EA7 ARMANI. At the heel, you've got a plastic there as well on the heel clip to give it more stability. You've got your pull tab with the ARMANI logo. And again, not really a tongue because it is just one unit. You got the EA7 ARMANI logo heat pressed on to the tongue of the sneaker. Flat lacing system right there just to secure your fit. Polyester insole with the EA7 right there also. Comfy. And that's about it. Yeah, so these are one of those sneakers that, you know, fashion brands such as Armani would take inspiration from, you know, proper athletic use, performance wear. I mean, you've seen these styles, like these runners everywhere, and this is ARMANI's version. Personally, it's not for me. You know, I'd go for a Nike or Adi, but we thought we'll give you a look at some designer brands. So roll out footage of me trying these EA7 sneakers on. What did I call it? I called it X-Far. X-Far's on.
comes to the fits, guys, I recommend that you get probably a half size to what you usually wear. For Nike, for example, I'm a size 42 European, which is a 7.5 UK. My toes, there's some substantial space right there. I mean, you can see where my movement is. They're not really at the top. In regards to comfort, I wouldn't say these are the most comfortable, guys. If you're paying designer, I'd expect them to be at least comfortable and stylish. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this isn't my style. I don't really wear Emporio Armani, but we thought we'll give another designer a chance in one of the reviews. If you're a fan of Emporio Armani, cool. And these take your fancy, sure, buy them. Unfortunately for me, I know there's tons of like brands that do knitted runners. Adidas, for example, with Ultra Boost. Nike do a lot of with the fly knits as well, and you're better off going with those guys for practical use. But if you're clearly going for that fashion look, and you know you've got a whole Emporio Armani outfit that you want to complete, this is probably the sneakers for you. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time.